Hi, it's Pastor Mike. I hope you're having a great day. We have had some incredible Sundays together recently here at First Baptist Church Dixon. I hope you've been here. Hope you're having a great fall break, those of you who are away. But just to recap, been such a special time. We've presented our ministry plan to the church, had an amazing response, had a great high attendance day with well over 1,100 here. We had, of course, this last week or so ago, Ministry Sunday with 1,100 plus celebrating together and 50 ministry booths all around the church, people signing up for all kinds of opportunities to serve and to volunteer. Thank you for doing that. I know you're going to enjoy serving in so many different places. And then this last Sunday, such a great Sunday, historic Sunday in the life of our church. Voted to reorganize our church staff ministry structure, called Tom Pritchard and Deb to be our associate pastor of education administration, called Matt Braun and Kelsey to be our student pastor. So many exciting things that are going on. And then, of course, all the great things that are happening day by day. So many ministries at work, so many things we're doing in the community. Thank you for what you do at First Baptist Church Dixon. I look forward to seeing you Sunday as we get back together and serve and encourage one another. Have a great day.